Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel to all of you in the new videos. Before the starting video, I have a small request to all of you. If you new and first time on this channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification for more latest update video. Let's start the videos. If your generator start but not any output, what thing to do to check for the basic and you can fix your generator itself? It is very easy. First of all, you need some basic thing to check momentarily. Okay, let's start. First of all, you start your generator. If your generator pull start or kick start, and start your generator. After that, take your multimeter and select the AC range on your multimeter. Every multimeter is a different setting have. You must to select the AC range and AC voltage. After that, you start your generator and you take the outlet reading and check your circuit breaker is on. Make sure your circuit breaker is on position and your generator is good running condition. And after that, if you not have any output, stop the generator. Remove the generator backside cover mounted on 2 bolt and inspect your carbon brushes. Remove it and check it. Make sure it is in good condition, not wear out, not broken, not damaged. Wire connection is good. Make sure properly and check your slip ring condition. Make sure it is clean and nice and bright. Okay, after that you need to put the battery voltage direct DC to the carbon brushes through the carbon brushes, and after hooking the direct battery voltage to the carbon brushes and start the generator once again and check your generator outlet and get some voltage. If you not have some voltage here, again with the battery connection. After that, you stop again the generator. After that, take your multimeter again and set the multimeter to the ohm mode, and you get your slip ring to slip ring continuity. Make sure you must give some continuity. If you not have any continuity, that means your router winding is broken. After that, you check slip ring to router body, short it to ground, and other slip ring short it to ground. And if you not have any continuity, that's mean your router is okay. After that, you need to check your router condition and carbon brushes and carbon slip. Again, you check the continuity. Make sure your slip ring is clean and nice and bright. After that, you take multimeter once again, set the multimeter to the ohm range and dismantle this wiring connection properly and check resistance between each other. Make sure you get 4 kilo ohm to 5 kilo ohm between any two wires. If you not have any ohm or very less ohm, that's mean your main winding is shorted. It is properly testing. Before, you need to check the router stator to the body and aluminum body. Every wire you need to check with the body ground. If you have some many of wires shorted to alternator body, that's mean your alternator is shorted. After that, if you have some trouble here, if you take some faulty reading, shorted to ground or low resistance, you need to dismantle your alternator completely and need to be rewind or replace and send to the generator rewinding. Make sure you remove your rotor and pedal.